My services are at no cost. It doesn't matter what it takes. It doesn't matter how long it takes. There is no cost to the individual, to the elderly person or their families by working with me or talking with me. I have actually a couple of people that we've been talking for a couple of years now, going back and forth with different scenarios, different questions, people that they're planning ahead. They're not ready to make a change yet, but every few weeks they have a new question. They're thinking of something, they're wondering of something, well, they pick up the phone and they call TB. And we have a conversation and then we hang up the phone and then we talk again a couple months later and things like that. So, um, but I never send them a bill. I never send them an invoice. So working with me, talking with me, having me 100% involved in figuring things out, it's at no cost to the individual or their families.
I just wanted to confirm here because your service is at like no cost, but when you refer someone like the elder care attorney or any facilities, people will pay those services, right?
Yeah, I'm assuming so. Yeah, I mean, if somebody wants to go to speak with an attorney, or uh, I'm sure there is a fee that they need to pay for the consultations. I don't know about financial advisors if they ask for a fee or not. I'm just saying about my services are at no
Yeah.
cost. Yeah.
Yeah, because I just wanted to confirm like when people see your episode or see your like this conversation, so they will not assume, okay, you're working in a team and they do not need to pay, but they do not need to pay to you, but they have to pay the other team members or the referral if they need any extra help.
Yeah, that's a really good question. Um, the recommendations or the referrals that I make to other professionals, it's not like, they're my employees, they're part of my company. There is no partnership agreement or anything like that. It's like if you need a referral to an elder law attorney uh, because you need to figure some things out for yourself. And I had a family that I previously worked with, and they came up to me and they said, you know what, we've been working with this elder law attorney, and this is her name or his name. And we were really happy. We were very satisfied. It's a really good attorney. I might get that information and I might call that attorney and say, hey, this is my name, this is what I do, this is what my company does. I just heard some excellent feedback from a family that you helped. Is it okay if in the future I can refer someone to you? And that's how I get um, um, the people I would potentially refer to, people that I know they did a good job with other clients that they had. Yeah, so they're not part of my company. They're not part. They're just outside resources. Yeah,
Um,
and if they charge for a consultation, uh, that's their thing. I mean, I have nothing to do with that. Yeah.
I just want because people always curious because you are giving like lots of information and people talk to you and you're not taking any uh like your services like are free at no cost. So how you will get paid? Because sometimes people think like it is a scam or maybe they will ask like there's some hidden amount of money. So can you just explain like why your services are at no cost and how you will get paid?
As I mentioned before, it doesn't matter what it takes, how long it takes. Helping a family, working with a family, is at no cost to them. Um, and that's how I make a living, not charging the clients that I work with. How I ultimately get paid is that if that individual moves into a senior living community, senior living place, um, that was referred and recommended by me, and I was the one initiating the referral um, to that community, to that facility, then the facility will pay me a referral fee. That's how I ultimately get reimbursed for my work, for my effort. The facility will pay me a referral fee. Um, but until someone moves into a facility, I don't get paid. My services are at no cost, yes, to the client.